Let's take a look at problem 15-6, which deals with value of operations. Brooks Enterprises has never paid a dividend. Free cash flow is projected to be $80,000 and $100,000 for the next 2 years respectively, and after the second year it is expected to grow at a constant rate of 8%. The company's weighted average cost of capital is 12%. On Part A, we're asked to determine the terminal or horizon value of operations, and they give us a hint. Find the value of all free cash flows beyond year 2, discounted back to year 2. And then on Part B, we're asked to calculate the value of Brooks's operations. Okay, let's take a look at Part A. Now, using the Gordon growth model, we can determine the value of the horizon value. And what we do is we first determine what the cash flow is beyond year 2. At year 2 it was $100,000 and it's expected to grow at a constant rate of 8%. So we take $100,000 times 1.08 to come up with $108,000 to use as the numerator in the constant growth model. Then we divide it by the weighted average cost of capital less the amount of growth, and we're able to determine that the terminal or horizon value is equal to $2,700,000. Then on Part B, we're asked to calculate the value of Brooks's operations, and I've solved this using net present value. So what we know is we're going to collect $80,000 free cash flow in the first year, and in the second year we're going to collect $100,000. But we also need to add the $2,700,000 of terminal value or horizon value in or at the end of year 2 to the $100,000 we're going to get to correctly determine the net present value of Brooks's operations, or the net present value of all the free cash flows. And when we do that, we come up with $2,303,571 in spare change. And here you see the NPV formula that I used in Excel to calculate the $2,303,571 value of Brooks's operation. Now, if you're in Excel and you click on the formula editor, you will get this pop-up screen here as well. And here you can see where the variables go in that calculate that amount. We're using the 12% weighted average cost of capital, and then we've included just two cash flows, the $80,000 and the $2,800,000.